So you had a data entry, data processing problem. How did you decide that middleware was the right way to go in terms of finding a solution?
I think it was because we've got two very integral systems, which is our CRM system and our operating system. Our CRM system is shared widely by group, so you don't want to customize that too much. And then our operating system involves a lot of very important things that you don't really want to also mess around with. So the middleware, it was a great solution for us because it's customizable. It could be built so that it works from a user perspective as well as a customer perspective. And it pulls all the right information from the right places without having to customize those. So we found that was the right fit for what we were trying to achieve.